Hi, good afternoon again. Now let's talk about something that's kind of interesting to me. Let's talk about what's happening over in corn, Dees corn, as a matter of fact. Boy, we've seen after the report, we've got some reasons to kind of rally here. We've seen, over a 40-cent rally, 41-cent rally. We've given a decent chunk of that back overnight. Up till overnight, it was 13. We're lower again today. So we're giving back some of that rally. I think there will be some more positioning involved going into what we've got as far as the USDA report on Friday. So you're going to see a little bit of jockeying going on there, but a decent move. You want to make sure that if you're a producer, you might want to make sure you've got something there to make sure that you've got some protection to the downside to use the exchange and get that risk down on paper. What I don't like seeing, though, is the biggest news I think of the day was the fact that we had managed money, those funds, they were short 300,000 contracts. Now they're short only 200,000. And what that tells me is a lot of this rally has been the capitulation of some of those short hedge funds buying back those short contracts, forcing this market higher on themselves. It's almost like cannibalism. They eat themselves on the way out, and that's what you've seen. They bought a third of their position back, and that's to a large degree why we've rallied. You haven't seen a lot of new longs come to the market, right? So we've just maybe replaced shorts at higher levels. So I don't like to see that. We've seen a lot of the shorts get out, and we haven't really seen a lot of new longs come to the market. So I think that's something that's a little bit concerning, and also concerning me. And also what's concerning me is that you saw the good to excellent drop from 73 to 71, and the market really didn't buy and it didn't rally on it. So a market that is mostly short driven to the upside and that doesn't react to decent bullish news or some news that could have been bullish says to me that we've got something to worry about here. At least keep an eye on that. That's giving me flashing yellow signals. Not red yet, but flashing yellow signals. Keep an eye on this market in the next few days, obviously going into the report, because it's showing some signs of susceptibility here. So that's something that I like to watch. Seeing those funds cover, not a lot of new money longs coming to the market, and at the same time, we're not really rallying on the good news, or not good news, sorry, on bullish news. In a market that doesn't rally on bullish news, it smells a little fishy to me. So let's keep that in mind, and we'll see what we get between now and Thursday.